Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Power of Nutrition. This is your friend Sham Savant. Friends, pizzas are the best gift for our tongue, but on the other hand, it is the worst substance for our body and for our overall health. So friends, here is how you can prepare your super healthy pizza. What I've done here is I've replaced the base. I've not used Maida. I've replaced the base. I've used a multigrain flour to prepare the base, which is very super healthy. The toppings that I've used are rich in antioxidants, all the vegetables, all sorts of vegetables you can use as a toppings. The sauce that I've used, I have actually prepared that sauce at home, which I'm going to share in this video. Very less salt in that sauce. There's definitely no preservatives, and it is low in sodium because it has very less salt, right? So people with high blood pressure issues also can enjoy eating this pizza. Pizza is a universal food, and each and every one of us definitely enjoys eating those pizzas. Pizzas that we eat outside are definitely unhealthy, and this is something we actually all know about. So friends, let's see how to make this super healthy pizza at home. The base of the pizza is made from Maida, refined wheat flour, which is super unhealthy. The sauce that goes on the base of the pizza is really high on salt, too much of sodium, which will increase your blood pressure. Most of the fat in the pizza is actually saturated fat, and if it is a frozen pizza, it also has some amount of trans fat. And both of these fats, of course, trans fat is something which is really unhealthy, and high amount of saturated fat definitely raises your cholesterol levels, increases cardiovascular diseases, heart-related problems. So definitely that is not good. That sauce also actually contains too much of preservatives, which is again really super unhealthy. Friends, this will definitely increase your cholesterol levels and will lead to other heart-related diseases.